Welcome back to Cars. Wow, we are back with a review of Nissan Patrol 2025 UK edition. In a celebration of heritage and innovation, Nissan launched the all-new Nissan Patrol, marking a new chapter for the iconic nameplate. The 7th generation model was unveiled by Makoto Uchida, president and CEO of Nissan Motor Company, at an exclusive event in Abu Dhabi that saw royals, VIPs, global Nissan executives, dealers, partners, media, customers, and employees in attendance. The all-new Patrol introduces several groundbreaking advancements, including a striking new design, a powerful V6 twin-turbo engine, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and adaptive air suspension for enhanced all-terrain capability. Equipped with intuitive technologies including Nissan Connect 2.0 powered by Google built-in, Pro Pilot Assist, and Clip Shockable premium audio system, it delivers a superior driving experience, complemented by exceptional comfort. Makoto Uchida said, "The all-new Patrol is a prime example of the exciting and empowering models we are delivering under our global business plan, the ARC. The 7th generation is a bold leap forward, blending unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and a commanding presence to redefine what an SUV can be. With its history of more than 70 years, the Patrol perfectly embodies our corporate purpose of driving innovation to enrich people's lives. An icon built for adventure." The all-new Nissan Patrol embodies a premium design aesthetic that elevates its unmissable road presence, delivering a captivating visual impact that bridges the brand's heritage with a forward-thinking vision. The all-new Patrol's exterior styling enhances its distinctive silhouette to showcase an unbreakable appearance, reflective of its rugged capability. Meticulously crafted, every aspect of the all-new Patrol exudes a sense of strength and durability. Nissan's signature V-Motion grille takes center stage, now wider and more integrated into the body, and flanked by enhanced double C-shaped headlights featuring adaptive driving beam (ADB) technology to ensure optimal visibility. Complementing this is the Patrol's rear facade, which echoes the front grille with a full-width light bar. The Patrol's formidable stance is accentuated by available 22-inch alloy wheels, which not only enhance its road presence, but also provide high ground clearance for superior off-road performance. The all-new Nissan Patrol is available in 7 striking exterior colors, each developed to enhance its dynamic appearance. The addition of 4 vibrant two-tone options to the exterior color palette supports increased personalization, enabling drivers to express their unique style. Nissan's commitment to thoughtful design is evident with the introduction of a puddle lamp, which auto-activates individual lighting elements as the occupants approach the vehicle with the key fob or unlock the doors. The lamp illuminates a motif featuring the iconic Nissan Patrol silhouette and the text "Since 1951, signifying the SUV's production history. This feature is a nod to the Japanese principle of omotenashi, or thoughtful hospitality, ensuring that every interaction with the Patrol feels special and welcoming. Power, performance, precision. The 7th generation Nissan Patrol is Nissan's most powerful Patrol to date, setting new standards in performance with an exhilarating blend of response, refinement, and efficiency. A new 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine has been introduced, delivering an impressive 425 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque. This marks a momentous shift from the Patrol's outgoing V8 engine, achieving a 7% increase in power and a 25% boost in torque, along with enhanced fuel efficiency. The new V6 twin-turbo engine features a high heat-resistant turbocharger and scavenge oil pump, ensuring consistent lubrication on slopes and inclines, delivering reliable performance across all terrains. Available also is the 3.8-liter naturally-aspirated V6 engine option, producing 316 horsepower and 386 newton-meters of torque. Power is transferred to the road via a 9-speed automatic transmission, further elevating the driving experience, whether navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrains. Dynamic suspension leverages e-damper technology that automatically adjusts the damper settings according to the driving conditions for a more controlled and comfortable onboard experience.